What's up, Jessica Squad? Thanks so much for watching this video on how to make 2 different types of desserts using mango cheesecake as your base. So, I have 3 large mangoes and I'm going to take out all of the mango and put it into a food processor, including all of the sweet, delicious mango around the seed. You don't want to waste that. These mangoes are extra sweet and juicy and they're really ripe, so it's really easy to take off the fruit. I just use my spoon to scoop it out and remove any skin so the skin will not be in the puree. Valentine's Day is coming up and these will be some really cute desserts to serve on Valentine's Day for your family. So I'm just taking the rest of the mango off and putting it in the food processor here. I don't want to waste any. I have a total of 3 mangoes in there. And next I'm going to go ahead and boil 1 cup of water so we can make a little gelatin mix here. So now I'm just going to boil that water and puree the mangoes until they're almost liquid and smooth. Inside of this bowl, I'm going to put my 1 cup of boiling water and I'm going to stir in my 2 packs of gelatin. Our first recipe is going to be no-bake miniature mango cheesecakes. So I just want to give this a good stir to break up the gelatin so it doesn't clump up. I have 2 tubs of cream cheese here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my big mixing bowl. And if you don't have the little plastic containers of cream cheese, I'm pretty sure 3 of the ones sold in the little cardboard packages would be fine. So there's all the cream cheese. Now I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and 1 little cup full of vanilla. I always just use the cap as my measuring cup. And I'm going to blend this until it's nice and smooth and creamy. I'd say for this part, I mix this for about 3 minutes before I add in my mango. So it's a beautiful creamy consistency, and now it's time to add in all of the mango puree and blend that in. I blended up my little gelatin mix to make sure it was totally mixed up and not clumpy, and I poured it into my cheesecake mixture right here, and I'm going to stir that in very good for about 2 minutes. This will really help the cheesecake set up and you don't have to bake it. It'll be great. And I have these cute little baking cups. They're already full of the little delicious pastry dough. These ones I do have to bake, but you can use graham crackers or any kind of pie crust. This is just the one I'm going to use today. I have to bake them for 10 minutes at 450 degrees. They do puff up a little bit, so I have to push down the baked dough with a spoon so I can have space for my cream cheese mix. If I was using graham cracker as my crust, I would skip that part. And now I have this little teapot. I'm just trying to be accurate and fill them all up. And I have to refrigerate these for about an hour. Now I'm going to use my leftover mango cheesecake filling to make some strawberry rose cups. So I'm filling up my cup 75% full. And I'll put these in the refrigerator also for 1 hour. So while the mango cheesecake cups are getting firm and also the little mini mango cheesecake pies are getting firm, we're going to work on making roses out of these strawberries. And it's quite simple. You just want to make nice and even thin slices on your strawberry to look like petals. You want to start on the outside, and when you bring your knife down, just bring it down kind of close to the stem, but not too close or else the little strawberry petals will just fall right off. So this takes a little bit of patience. And once you go around the entire strawberry, then you want to do a new layer moving up along the strawberry, again making new little strawberry petals. So that's how it looks. After you make the little cuts, you can use your knife or a finger to gently push the little petals away, the strawberry petals, to make it look more rose-like. And that's how they look. I'm going to make 7 of these and I'll put them in the fridge so that when the mango cups are complete, I can place these on top. They'll be easy and ready to go. Time to make some whipped cream. These are going to be for the little mini mango cheesecakes. I have about 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream in there, a cup full of vanilla, and about half a cup of sugar. And I'm going to blend this up until it's nice and fluffy. Whenever I make whipped cream, I'd say this takes about 3 to 4 minutes for it to get nice and fluffy to a nice whipped cream consistency. You can always do a shortcut and get a can of whipped cream, but when I buy the heavy whipping cream, I feel like it lasts a lot longer than the can, because then my kids just go in the fridge and they just squirt it all out and eat it so fast. And I'm going to put some whipped cream inside of this little pastry bag. And here's our little mango cheesecake pies. They're all firm and set up, and we're going to top them with some whipped cream. In my food processor, I chopped up some strawberries. They're very, very tiny. They're minced up. I'm going to put a little bit of this on top of the whipped cream. And then I'm going to dust it with a little cocoa powder. And that will be the final look. And this is really cute. It's a great little dessert. Looks like it came straight from a bakery. So now we're all done with dessert number 1. My kids got really excited and they want to come try it right now. I have 2 sweet little girls. And they liked it a lot. They were really excited because it looks so pretty. Now it's time to move on to dessert number 2, the mango cheesecake rose cups. So I have 1 little bag of the unflavored gelatin. I'm going to put in a cup of water. In my food processor, I'm adding about 6 to 7 strawberries. I'm just removing the stems. We're going to puree this until it's almost a liquid. So those strawberries are really liquefied. It's time to pour this into our gelatin mixture. And then I'm going to stir it up. To make the color more vibrant, I'm adding in 3 drops of red food dye and about a 1/4 cup of sugar to sweeten this mixture up. So it's an hour later. I'm taking out the mango cheesecake cups and they're nice and firm and all set up. I'm putting in that strawberry gelatin that we made. I'm just using it all up so we don't waste any. I'm putting a little bit of whipped cream from earlier. I had some left over. And then I'm going to put on top all of those pretty strawberry roses that I worked hard on. And these look really pretty just like this, but I had these little sprinkles and I thought they would look cute like little dewdrops on the rose petals. So I did that and I put them in the refrigerator for about another hour. This is the completed dessert. It was really creamy and delicious. I really liked how the strawberry tasted mixed in with the mango cheesecake. And I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. We have a lot of other cooking videos on our channel.